What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are in Ontario, California. This is a new outlet. I haven't been to this one with you guys. I have gone. I don't have my microphone, but we'll see what we can do, you guys. Holy crap, this place is crowded. Look at the lines over there. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. 10s right here, 10 and a halves right there. See what we can find, you guys. See what we can find. Oh, got some real trees. Air Force One real trees. 80 bucks, 30% off. That's not bad. Not a big fan of this colorway. There's another one that I want, but oh shit. Jordan 18s. Boy here found. See, look, it's suede leather. Look, and then you open it up, and the laces, and then there's a magnet here. You close it up like that. It's an interesting one. What's it going for? What's it? Going for $99. That's way cheaper than the East LA one. They had them for $135. 30% off on top of that. And the Vapor Mag's hitting for $159 right here. 30% off though. Still pretty high. Some Shocks Gravity. Are these the R4s? Oh damn. That's a really good price. Holy shit. These are a really good price. I don't think the resale's there. Wow. I've never seen this for that cheap. That's amazing. Retail's $140 on this. Back in the size 10s, 9.5. So the Lunar Epic, the Guy Kusos. I don't know, going for retail, 30% off. Westbrook 0.2. Oh, what the hell? It's a casual one, man. These are terrible. Throw that bad boy back. Jordan 2 retros. Aren't these going for this much anyways? 30% off though. Go for a little under 100. Little under 100. That's not bad. Not bad. Size 9.5. Oh man, I was like, what? Some Zoom rookies. $189 though. Damn, that's pricey. $189, 30% off. In the size 8. Oh, this is retail. Damn. Retail. The Tinker 3s. 30% off though. Still not bad. Oh, what the hell is this? $165. Holy shit. Some Air Force One utilities with camo. They did have a couple of hydros. Damn, they go for $16 or something, or $12 actually. $12. They're still ugly though. So going back. There was some foams, but nope. The damn wavies, man, tricking us. Yeah, this is definitely the most packed Nike outlet I've ever seen. But this is also a holiday weekend, so this is probably the worst time to gauge how busy this place is. But you know, we're getting through it. We're getting through it. I've seen these at every outlet. 200, 30% off. So many. I've never seen so many Jordan 18s, man. That's just crazy. Crazy. Turning through the aisles, man. They just got 312s galore. See it? They're hitting for $79 mostly. We got, oh, okay. Some Jordan 8s. Jordan 8s go for $134. Not bad. The heat wall is dead. It's just too packed. So packed. It's a mediocre basketball shoe section. We're skipping that. We're having these everywhere. These were supposedly sold out on the sneakers app. Full size run. Damn. Mars Landers too. Mars Landers full size run of these bad boys too. Go for $109. Crazy. The fanny pack ones that we've seen. Those are terrible. The dad shoe. I think this is dad shoe of the year. 45 bucks. Pegasus 35s. 35s. There's a bunch of other Pegasus as well. Not bad. 7s. Pretty good deal. 2017s, I love these, man. Still too high though. Oh, not bad, not bad. Okay, yeah, this is what's up, man. This is totally worth a cop, you guys. The 95s, oh man, that's totally a cop. Go ahead and get yours. This one's interesting. Was it like, is it digital camo? Is it Spickle Spackle? What is it? I have no clue what that is. Some Zoom Racers, trying out some Zoom Racer 6s.
They seem narrow though.
Yeah, they do seem narrow.
I mean, really narrow.
35 bucks though, 35 bucks. But if they're not comfortable, they're not comfortable, dude. Yeah.
Because even if
These. Oh shit. Damn. Usually one falls down. Freaking two fell down this time. This is Air Max Deluxe, 90 bucks. Is this a women's one? What the hell? It's like a weird color. I've never seen this color. This is the one with the weird, reflective Nike sign. It's kind of cool. Like these. Look, they got some weirdness in the back, so I don't know about these. Let me check the other ones I found. These I think are a little bit better, but yeah, the outside I think I think, yeah, these got that little weird thing in the back too. I don't know, is it like every shoe like that? I don't know. Maybe they've just been worn. Been worn. Can't really tell. Yeah. I might not get these just because I might not be able to sell them with this, with that mess. Yeah, tell me what you guys think, if you guys would get this or not. I don't know. I don't know. I think I could sell these as new, so I'm putting them back, you guys. Putting them back. Dang, Air Max 90s. Too much. Going for 110. Look nice though. Look, that box is all torn up. You know that ain't gonna be a sale on the shelves. $100, 30% off. These are high here, man. I swear I've seen these for like 69 bucks or some shit at the clearance center. 110, 30% off, but still, that's still high, man. That's still high. Vomero 14 for 60 bucks, man. This is so worth it. So worth it. I might have to think about this. See, I found these at the clearance center. These are going for retail, $150, 30% off, but I got these for $50-something, man. That's crazy. That clearance center, man, ain't no joke. In the kids section, 6.5. Oh man, these going for retail? Oh hell no. Even with 30% off. Oh hell no, that's crazy. What is this? I have no clue what that is.
Never mind, let's go. Let's go.
That's crazy. No clue what that is. SC3GGs. Oh, but look at this, 40 bucks? Oh hell yeah. That's up right there, 40 bucks. That's what's up. Oh, we got to check this out. These would be $28, you guys. That is crazy. But my kid don't like them. Kid don't like them, man. Damn. It's like I'm throwing away shoes right there. Damn. Deal off of apparel. Most of these go for 20 bucks a piece, so $10. $10 for all kinds of graphic tees. That's legit. Legit. Dang. Cop nothing from the Nike store. How sad. How sad. That rarely ever happens. I think. I don't know. Alright, we'll check out the Adidas. Maybe that'll be a separate video, whatever. Yeah, we'll see what happens. These ended up costing $29.99 plus 30% off on top of that, man. So don't forget to ask them to check prices, because look, man, that was crazy. I would have got one at that price, dude. Just wear them as a beater around the house, but shit. That's my brother-in-law right there. Came up. Let's check out. There's an Adidas outlet. See what's up, you guys. See what's up. 40% off a bunch of stuff. If you guys have ever seen my videos, you guys know I'm gonna be going straight to the Boost. Go check out some Boost. That are 60% off, 100 bucks, so 40 for the Adi Zeros. Oh no, these are the Solar guys. My bad. Solar guys. Not bad. The Adi Zeros also going for 40% off, $100. Oh man, this is starting off really good. Really good. The Ultra Boost 2019s, those bad boys are not on sale. Not on sale. Yeah, there really isn't much. This place just packed. It's just the crazy 8 BYWs or something. Yeah. 169. What the hell? That's crazy. This place is confusing me. We got the 2019 Ultra Boost. 2019 Ultra Boost. I have no clue. No price tag on it. Interesting. The 2019 stuff right here, none of them are on sale. Highest price, oh, it's $126. That's not bad. That's like the regular outlet price, $126. Women got the way better price. Look at that. Look at that. 180, 60% off. 180, 60% off. Way better price than the guys. Regular price, this is $126. Still not bad though, but just no additional discount. $126 as well. $126 for the 2019. Also, different colorway of that. $126. Still not bad. Going for 40. The Pure Boost Goes going for 40 bucks. That's legit. Pure Boost Goes. I don't know. I think these are going for 40 bucks. I don't know. There's a $100 price tag. $100 price tag. I don't know if it's 40 or 60% off the clearance sale. I have no clue. No signs or anything, so I don't know. Price tags came off of that one. I have no clue how much that is. Go for 99. Probably 40 or 60% off. That's what I gotta assume. PODs as well. Not bad. The girls clearance section and everything's so much better than the guys, man. Guys section's weak today. Hitting for $16.99. So yeah, so it's $8.50. Oh no, I'm sorry, about 10 bucks probably, 40% off. Probably about 10 bucks. These fleece, 25 bucks, so 40% of that. I'm like trying to do the math. I'm so retarded. What is that, like 14 bucks, something like that? Not bad, not bad. So 40% of this is not bad, but it's not a crazy deal like some of the other stuff. Not crazy. Nothing at the Adidas outlet. Prices are kind of whatever. They're kind of all over the place. I'm hoping you guys can hear me because the mic situation kind of off today. But yeah, if you guys like these videos, make sure you go ahead, subscribe, press that like button. Make sure you give me some comments. Let me know what you guys think. If I missed any good shoes, whatever, let me know. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.